Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Sacramento, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you are moving within the state or across the country, long-distance moving can turn into a logistical nightmare if you don't know what to expect and how to prepare for this process. So it's necessary to find the best movers possible on your budget. 3 Movers is one of the best long-distance moving companies in Sacramento, California. We pride ourselves on providing a stellar moving experience from packing to unloading at your new home. Not only that, we have the highest standards for our professional movers, but we also strive to make our equipment modern and up to date with the latest technology so you can rest assured that your belongings will arrive safely. Do you need help with your local move in Sacramento? Are you looking for affordable local moving companies? 3 Movers is happy to assist. We will make sure that all your valuables will make it to your destination safely and as soon as possible. We will get your belongings where you need them in record time, and you can count on us that we will not reschedule, delay, or cancel your scheduled move. We also understand that relocating is an expensive endeavor. That's why we are working hard to keep our prices affordable without compromising on the quality or the service we deliver. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sacramento moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.